If your skin feels dry, itchy, flaky, or irritated, this video is for you. Because just skipping moisturizer doesn't cause dry skin. Sometimes your skin barrier is damaged and your skin just can't hold moisture like it should. Let me give you a solution that gives you long-lasting hydration and moisture. Carbamide Intensive Hydration Cream is made for people who want real results without any fuss. So, what is hydration? Think of hydration as the water your skin needs to stay alive. And when your skin have enough water, it feels soft, smooth, and plump. But when it loses water because of weather, harsh soaps, or dryness, then it becomes dull, dry, itchy, and sometimes even flaky. And this is not just for dry skin. Even oily skin needs hydration to function properly. Oil is not water, and every skin needs water to function properly. Carbamide is also known as urea, and it is one of the most powerful hydrating ingredients that most dermatologists recommend. Your skin naturally contains urea as part of your skin's natural moisturizing factor. Carbamide helps your skin hold on to water and support the enzymes that keep your texture smooth. And at a higher percentage, it can even gently exfoliate rough patches. Hydration isn't enough. Your skin also needs soothing and protection. Lactic acid to boost hydration and to help your skin make more ceramides. Panthenol, which calms the redness, and allantoin, which eases the itchiness. And it also contains shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and pumpkin seed oil, which gives antioxidant support. These ingredients work as a team to provide deep hydration and protection to your skin. If you have rough, dry, mature, or dehydrated skin, this cream's for you. It's not fungal acne safe. People with fungal acne should avoid using it as it can cause some breakouts. It leaves your skin soft without any greasy or sticky feeling. You can use it in the morning or night wherever it fits your routine. You don't need 5 different products, you just need one product that deeply nourishes, hydrates, and protects your skin. Carbamide Intensive Hydration Cream is made for people who want real results without any fuss. If you have any further questions, ask us in the comments below.